Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 245. And if we start with this box, we're just missing an 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 3 here, 5 here, so this is our 9. 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got the 1 covering these 2 boxes, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got no help here. 3, 4, 6. 3 here, so 4, 6. 6 here, so 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, 8, and 9. We've got 5 and 8 here, so 2, 9. 8 and 9 here, so 2, 5. 2 and 8 here, so 5, 9. 9 here, so 2, 5, 8. And if we look at that row now, the only place the 8 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 3, 5, and 8 here, so this is our 4. 5 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 8 here, so 5, 8. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. With this 3, we can get rid of this 3. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so 2, 4, 2, 6, and 9 here. So this is our 4. That makes this our 2, 9, 6, 4, 6, 4. That 9 makes this our 5, 2. All right, for this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 covering here and a 1 covering here, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 4. And I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 9. 6 here, so 3, 6. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 2, 5, 2, 5. And to finish out this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.